Hi there, Lorraine here. Thank you for coming to this page where it is going to be possible for you to download your free ebook on how to use the metaphysical laws of the universe to help you. I know that if you've come through to this page, it is because you are experiencing stress, anxiety, fear, or perhaps you're unwell, you've got physical pain, you've got conflicts in your relationships, you've got health issues, you've got relationship issues, you've got career, creativity problems and frustrations, or you're experiencing serious money problems. And there is no shame in any of those. All the best people in the world have experienced those. The thing is, how quickly you can get yourself out of those problems. I know from first-hand experience what it is to go through those things, and I tried all the traditional routes of psychotherapy and counselling and coaching and so on and so forth, all of which was really brilliant and really helped me. However, it wasn't until I got into the metaphysical laws and really started to use those that my life really changed. And so that is what I teach now, and that is what I want to teach you. So the first step is for you to download the free ebook, and you can do that by going to the link below, and then I will be able to start to help you. So please click on the link below and you'll be able to download my free ebook on how to use the metaphysical laws of the universe to help you. Thank you.